Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So the table is actually full. And what if I told you I paid $1.98 for all of this? Would you believe me? Well, I went penny shopping this morning over at the Dollar General, and here's the receipt. And it is a crazy one. It's down to, well, I paid $2 because I gave 2 cents to literacy, but it was $1.98 for all of this merchandise. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Dollar General penny shopping, it's a lot like Fight Club. You go in there, you look for the items, bring it to the cash. If you find some of these goods, take all of them in your cart because the employees will go back to wherever you found them and clear them off the shelf. They're items that should have been removed on Tuesday morning, but if they're perhaps in the store, they have to sell them to you for a penny. You can ask the employees for help. You just have to use the Dollar General app, and if it rings up for 0, you know it's a penny. Not all stores it's working today, but this one store that I visited, and you know what it is, guys? Because I am not a very good penny shopper, and most of you that have been following my channel know that. What it is they have a lack of staff, so I think to remove stuff like this is just not a priority. So that's why I scored the coffee last week, and I even found more coffee today, which is insane for me. So we're just gonna go through the list. Both the Freebie Guy and Super Simple Saver over on Instagram have been posting lists last night. So I was able to track down all this stuff. I also did open up the Dollar General app and scan stuff in store to make sure that everything was ringing up a penny. I didn't want some sort of a surprise at checkout. But yeah, everything rang up for that beautiful penny when you can do this sort of a haul. And I've only done this maybe one other time. So this really never happens for me. Some of the food has expired, but some of it I'm gonna, just consume for myself, and other items, I won't donate expired items, but some of it I just have to bin because it's really expired. So we're just gonna go through this. If you wanna grab screenshots, you can do that. If you wanna throw this video up on your television, open up your Dollar General app to just scan barcodes. Let's do it that way. I have so many barcodes to go through that I'm not gonna photograph each one like I normally do. So whichever way, if you want to follow along, go for it. And it's just not today. It's until all the items are cleared out of the store or the employees find and clear them. That's when these penny items are going to be non-circulated. Like last week I was talking about the coffee. I found these this morning and got 5 of them for 5 cents, which is really cool. So let's just start right here with these Sunkist. They are called Fruit Bites. And here is the UPC. Hopefully that's focusing. There it is. And this guy does not expire until next May or next April. And the expiry date, if you want to know, is right here. Okay, so please watch this video. It's how to use the Dollar General app with success in store, and it's very easy to use the app. And then just to show you, this is what it's ringing up for, 0, 0, 0. So at the cash it'll ring up for 1 penny. As I said, it's like Fight Club, and what that means is the first rule of it is you do not go in there and say, where are the pennies, or help me penny shop, or penny, penny, penny. Even if your name's Penny, don't even use that. Say your name is Rebecca. Just anything but penny. Because if you find this stuff, they have to sell it to you for a penny. However, if you just grab one, the employee might go back to the clearance section and grab everything in a basket and just remove it off the floor. And that's happened before too. So yeah, get out sooner than later because these are awesome pennies on this list. This stuff might have been part of like summer, or you never know, like a summer thing and they just wanted to get it off the floor, or maybe a contract that are not with Sunkist anymore. You never really know. So these Clover Valley sugar wafers, I'm going to have to bin all of them because they all expired in May. And that's just it's not off by a month, it's off by a couple of months. So I'm just going to bin all these. I regret buying all of them. I should have just given them to the cashier saying, throw them all away, or just use them, or whatever she's going to do with them. But there was so much items in this basket that I was just like, just scan them all. Sometimes you have to take you just have to take it like a loss. But if yours might not be expired, here's the UPC, but these ones expired in May. It's right there, the expiry date, or the Best Buy. It's May of 2021, so I'm gonna have to unfortunately bin these. And then the Pringles chips, they're these little 4-packs, and we have the regular, and then we have the sour cream. Now, the best buy for this one is August the 14th. These ones are May, but my husband will probably still eat them. And then we have a sour cream one that doesn't expire until next year. And this was also a penny, the sour cream one. So there it is. This is the sour cream. And the regular ones. So either one of my favorite finds is these roasted shell pistachios, salt and white pepper. Sounds really good. These have also, I think, expired in August, the beginning of August, but I will eat all of these. Trying to do like a modified keto diet, so I really can't partake in a lot of this, but a lot of it will be donated, or, you know, my husband will enjoy it, but these are a really good find. We have these veggie straws. These also expired in, I believe, June, but maybe I can have it on a cheat day or something like that. Here is the UPC. To answer another question, like, where did you find all this stuff? I found it in the regular clearance aisle. It wasn't in the regular aisles. And the stuff that was found, like, in, that should have been part of the summer was gone off the floor. Like, there was, like, little Dunkaroos and other things. I couldn't find it, but, yeah, it was just kind of bizarre, guys. Alexander the Great, penny. My husband's favorite, these Raisinets, so he'll be really happy with that. Miniatures. And if you can't scan it because it's so curved, you can also type in the UPC. Hopefully that'll, there it is. We have some famous Amos cookies. You just punch in the number instead of scanning it in. If you can get a read on that, hopefully it's readable. And these trolley worms, not really a fan of this sort of a thing. Squiggles. And these are good until September of next year. We have this little Rice Krispies chocolate treat. There it is. And then from last week, we had the Maxwell House and Mick Cafe. I could not find any of these, but today I found a bunch of them. So this was a penny as well. This is a really excellent find, like 18 K-Cups for a penny. And this does not expire till December, so that is craziness. Again, found this in the clearance section. And then I have the Mick Cafe, this mocha one, and it expired actually in August. So, and I just made a cup. I'm actually drinking one of these, and it's not bad. It's like McDonald's coffee. And this was also a penny, found in the clearance aisle. Now we have these Hawaiian Punch candies. And a lot of these don't expire till next June. So they're 90 cents on clearance. And there is the UPC, guys. The Butterfingers fun size. Sorry, guys, I'm having a hard time talking this morning. I'm so excited. And these do not expire till December 17th of 2021. Right there. So, here's this one when it expires. Yep, it's December. So I got a bunch of these. The Now and Later Extreme Sours. These expire next March. There is the UPC. That's the expiry date right there. We have these old-timey candies. They're called Sweet Smiles, assorted. You know, they have a little gel inside of there. These expire next June, I believe. There's the UPC. And the final item is this mountain mix. I found 4 of these bags. Something my husband might enjoy. Nice little trail mix. And this expires in September, so we have a couple of months to enjoy that. So that is not too shabby. So I will link a video at the very end on how to, you know, use the Dollar General app and scan with a lot of success. If you see the 0, that's how you know it's a penny. And again, not every store it's pennied out at yet. So at the very least, guys, you have the numbers for these UPCs, or you could scan it, you know, grab some screenshots and scan it off a different device. but like make it happen. And I find that I've never been lucky with penny shopping, but because, this is crazy, a lack of staff at a lot of these stores, they're not really going through the penny items and clearing all of it. So that's how I'm getting a little bit of success. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.